Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. And we are off to a field trip. As you can see, may a field trip si Seth sa aming mga student ambassadors. And I think meron mga international recruiters that traveled from their own countries to here. So siguro parang pa-welcome trip sa mga bisita nila. Tapos sinama na din kami. Kasi alam ko last year meron silang ganito eh. Nakita ko rin nag-Banff din sila. Anyway, so yun. 8:30 aalis sa school. Hingal ako. Sana mabuto ko yung bus ko. 7:45 yung bus ko. Kapag na-miss ko yun, 8:15 na yung next. Kasi weekend ngayon. So, mas matagal yung interval. At hindi ako abot ng pag 8:15. So, I really need to make it sa 7:45. And, yun. Lunch will be provided. So, sana masarap yung lunch. Okay. I'll see you later, guys. Dito na mi. On time naman ako. First time ko dumaan dito. Ay, hindi pala first time. Second lang. Kasi I had to stop by sa Starbucks over there. Dahil I need some coffee and breakfast. Ayan, so ano pa naman ako? On time pa ako. Hindi pa ako late. And kami ni Eliza magkatabi sa bus. Ang lamig. Although, iced coffee pa rin tayo. Just because I want it cold. Alright. Let's see kung meron ng mga tao. Yun siguro yung bus namin. Feeling ko lang, hindi kami yung yellow school bus today, in fairness. Although kasi marami din yata kami. I don't know. But, meeting place is in front of this building. Ito yung isa sa mga residence for students. Pero pang single lang. Kung single ka, pwede ka dito tumira. Okay. Lamig. Yung previous vlog ko, yung orientation natin, vlog ka pa na. Blue na yung hair niya ngayon. Blue-gray. Anyway, yeah, we're leaving. We're going to Banff now. And we're looking forward to lunch. Food. Kaya talaga yun. Nilulong forward. So marami-rami kami dyan. From different countries. Mga agents, recruiters, and yeah, kami mga ambassador kineme. So yeah. See you later there. Mga 1.5 ride. 1.5 bus ride kami. Yan, stop over muna. Breakfast daw. Ma'am, sayang. Sana din pala ako bumili ng pong breakfast. Kakain pala. Ganda. Ayan na, dito na kami sa Lake Louise muna yung first stop. And mas snow pa dito, malamig. Parang hindi pa ako ready. Eh, hindi ready yung suot ko pala, I mean. Dito. Ganda. Madulas konti. Shit. Bye. Say hi. Wow. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa Lake Louise. Yes, this is a lake. kapag summer, pero right now it's still frozen. So yeah, hindi siya lake, frozen Lake Louise. Ngayon ko pa lang siya napuntahan na frozen, in fairness. Nagpa-photoshoot kami dito. Yeah. Okay, we're going na. Late na daw kami. Malilate kami sa lunch namin. Hindi pa kami umalis ngayon. So, yeah, we're going to downtown Banff for our lunch. Yeah, lunchtime guys. We are here sa Indian buffet restaurant with Lance, of course, and Mr. Ahmed. Yeah. And you know, Mamsh. And here's my plate. I don't know half of it. I only know the butter chicken, so we will find out. How is it? Good?
So good. I like it so much.
Okay, next stop namin is the Bow Falls. We've been here for a lot of times. Ayan. Saglit lang kami dito, picture taking, and then next destination, hindi ko rin alam kung saan. Say hi! I'm so bad at balance.
Now, the only thing is, we're going to park in the bus area. Nobody around.
Okay, next stop, yun yung bus namin, is the Surprise Corner Viewpoint. Yan, kasi it has the perfect view of the hotel. Yan. Yan daw usually, or dito daw kinunan yung postcards na basta nakita niyo yung hotel na yan, dito kinunan yung postcard. So, para may viewing deck. Ganun. Next stop, another sightseeing site. I think it's the Tunnel Mountain. Nakasunod doon. Tunnel Mountain. Maybe this one? Ayan yan. You can go down. Medyo nakakalula. Mataas tayo. Okay guys, we're back sa school. Nag-iwalay na kami ni Ma'am kasi magkikita pa siya magkikita sila ng asawa niya. And umaambon. Buti may dala akong beanie or toque kasi wala akong hood. Anyway, yung bus ko 30 minutes pa. Matagal pa. So, dito muna ako tatambay sa building na to at kailangan ko din mag-CR. So, let's go. Sana bukas. Bukas ka ba? Bukas ka ba? Bukas ka ba? Bukas. Hey guys, ito na ako sa bus stop. Waiting for my bus. Parating na actually 2 minutes. And sabi ko, end ko na yung vlog dito kasi pagdating sa bahay, plakda na ako. I'm so sleepy and tired. Hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos sa bus. Yeah, and bukas, pasokan na. Oh my gosh. Is this for real? Eh, buti na lang, same kami ng oras ng pasok ni Sheena. So, sabay kami papasok bukas. Pero, ako, isang klase lang. Sila ni Iris, dalawang class. So, magkikita kami after ng class namin to eat lunch together. And then, after that, meron akong appointment sa clinic. And then, yun, doon sa amin. So, after namin mag-lunch, uwi na ako para diretso naman ako sa clinic. Anyways, yun lang. We enjoyed today. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kasama namin yung mga international recruiters and agents from different parts of the world. So, yung si Miss Jillian, hindi kaya na vlog si Miss Jillian, yung from Philippines. Kahapon lang siya dumating. And wala naman daw siyang jet lag, in fairness. Last year na dito rin siya. So, hindi na siya bago dito. So, yun, ang saya ng work nila. Anyways, yeah. May mga bago kaming, may mga napuntahan akong bago, ang saya na mga hindi namin napupuntahan before. So, that was nice. And yun lang. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I don't know kung mag-vlog ako first day of school bukas, but we'll see. Anyway, bye guys!